In a world where knowledge is the key to unlocking endless possibilities, some people focus on teaching and guiding future generations. They are not just teachers, they are mentors and role models. Come and join the journey with the interns from the University of Mindanao Teachers College Mathematics Society. It's where our love for teaching meets our mission to inspire others through what we know. Before stepping into the classrooms of Vicenta Nograles National High School, Paloma National High School, and Erico Nograles National High School, interns embark on a transformative journey of preparation. This comprehensive process ensures they are equipped with knowledge, skills, and empathy needed to make a meaningful impact in the lives of their students.
As I prepare for this 360-hour journey, I am filled with excitement and determination. I know this experience will shape me into a better educator.
During the internship, there's an ongoing process of learning and development, where each encounter enhances understanding and fosters personal growth. interns embrace collaboration and innovation, working alongside experienced educators to create dynamic learning of experiences.
The interns right now ay parang grabe gid ang ilahang pagpaningkamot and also the training that is given by the university as well as the college for our students. So ang mga blessed match na mga interns na karon, but I can see through their mga posts on social media, ilang mga my day and their kind of mga stories, I can see that they are really doing well. Now, nakita ko na po how they engage in their students. Nakita din ako nga, paunsa sila mag-deliver silang lesson. Bisan pag, kabalo there are some times na parang gikapoy sila, they will be having ng frustration na parang hindi nila kaya and so on. But, nakita na ko wala mga guro ni surrender na intern at the end. And I can see that really, by that one, I think na ready na jud kay sila for future nila nga endeavor. And I can see na ready na jud kay sila mag-graduate on that one.
From the classroom to the community, hands-on experience is gained, shaping future educators and leaders. interns embrace diversity and inclusivity, creating a supportive learning environment where every student can thrive. For every intern of the University of Mindanao Teachers College Mathematics Society, it's not just a journey. It's a transformational experience that shapes the future of education. As their 360-hour journey comes to an end, the interns reflect on the impact they've made and the lessons they've learned.
Thankful kayo ko sa ilang duha kay tungod anang sa kabisi nako. They are just outstanding teachers when it comes to their commitment. For Ma'am Lorna and Ma'am Hannah, Ma'am, salamat kayo sa inyo ha. And lastly, siguro ako ma-message na lang sa inyo nga is God bless and always remember na negative side of your life or na negative side of your journey, there's always a positive number or a positive side that would help you in your journey. Thank you so much and God bless.
Si Sir Dan kay grabe ka pasensyoso. Kuan siya very friendly sa mga bata. Kabalo siya kung saon niya pag-deliver sa lesson kay kuan siya ka bright siya. Sa mga math, bright man gid siguro na. Wala may math siguro nga bugo, no? Or wala ako matawag masulti saya. Pasensyoso, friendly, o can deliver the lesson well.
Jolly mag-teach. And ang mga learners, ganahan po sa imuha. Anyway, salamat sa inyong help sa mga STs from So, ano lang. So, keep it up. Padayon sa paglambo, padayon sa inyong pagpajali. And, maayos siya magtudlo, maayos siya sa mga iyakang PowerPoint presentations. Okay, and then, salamat sa inyong gihatan ng mga PowerPoints. Just na anak ko yung mga reference. So, thank you so much.
So, my message to all math majors is that keep up your dreams. Soar high and continue your goals. You live your life to the fullest. You attain your goal. Ayaw ka man sa iyong mga decisions kinabuhi. But stand up. Then continue your journey to be a professional teacher and person someday.
My internship journey is very challenging for me. Kay first day pa lang, nag-expect ko na deployment orientation pa lang, but right after nakailan ako akong city, salang dayon ko, my God, and wala ko ka-prepare, tapos nag-lesson dayon. But as time passed by, it become bearable and memorable because my students are very loving sa ako. Dili lang kung ana nga aspect, can motivate me na kanang mas magtudlo jud better para mas masabtan nila. And of course, lingaw akong internship journey because of my co-pre-service teacher na kauban ako sa faculty and sa very heartwarming na welcome sa akong students and labaw na sa akong city.
Akong journey jud diri is like happy, like memorable siya, even struggling sa part nga kanang magbuhat kag prepare kag PPT and then lesson plan sa mga demos nimo. Liman ka 5 ka demos ang buhaton ang agad. So ang pag-deal po sa students, okay man sila, kato ka nang happy ko ka, mga student that is approachable and then friendly, nagyapan lang respect sa imo and then ang akong mat-measure diri is siguro ang environment sa school mo, welcoming kayo, tapos thankful ko sa akong cooperating teacher. Siya, dako po siya help sa pag-train sa ako to become a better future teacher.
Thank you kaayo kay grabe kayo mo ka-obedient, like nagasunod jud mo sa ako. Even though wala ko ga-expect ani nga position, like kana ko nag-expect nga mag-group head ko, pero thank you kaayo kay nagasunod jud mo sa ako. And then ako alang masulti is all is well, or kumbaga all is well. So no matter what happen, life must go on. And napada isa, thank you po kay wala tay issue jud as sa ato ang major, wala jud tay issue nga napasa ka dito sa pinakataas sa dito sa administration. So thank you so much everyone, and that is all.
Through dedication, passion, and unwavering commitment, we have shown that education has the power to change lives. As we close this chapter and embrace the future, let's take with us the lessons, memories, and impact we've created, knowing that our journey as educators has only just begun. Together, let's continue to inspire, to empower, and to make a difference. This has been University of Mindanao Teachers College Mathematics Society, transforming lives one classroom at a time.